Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group, and here we have the Insta360 X5. It's an 8K 360 action cam that Insta360 has sent me, free of charge. They didn't charge me for this. They're not paying for this video, but they did ask me to put out a few videos. No restrictions, no kind of input on what those videos are. They just wanted me to tout the product and show it off. So here we have the box. It hasn't been opened yet. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I think this is where one of those jerry rig everything knives will come in handy. So I don't have to use these scissors. I might reach out to Zach and ask him to send me one. Let's take this off. Okay. So it says, every moment, any angle, no limits. Think bold. That just stays there. Open this in a second. Here's the camera. It says, helpful tips before use. Please use a micro SD card with speed classes of UHS 1 and V30 or above. To ensure waterproofing, securely close the battery compartment and USB port cover. Okay. So here we have USB-C, the power button. Here we have the battery. And we have our new and improved microphone wind noise reduction cover inside here. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. FlexiCare, 1 year accidental damage coverage, 2 low cost replacements, free 2-way shipping, professional global support. Alright, this is a cleaning sticker, which goes over the microphone. Okay. We got some stickers, warranty card. There's FlexiCare. We have safety guidelines, and we have a quick start guide. Okay. We have a pouch here, and in the pouch we have lens cloth, USB-C cable. There you have it. Feels good. get it loaded up with this 512 gig SD card that they sent me. Okay. It's going to slide right in here. You can put the battery back on. See, it has really good weather stripping, waterproofing right there. Sits down nice and secure. Let's turn it on. We'll hit next. And I will connect it with my phone. Alright, I'm going to hit the connect button, and we found the X5, so we'll click on that. There's a firmware update. Join the network. Update firmware. You can see here it says receiving firmware. Going to restart, and while it's doing that, I'll read kind of some information that I found on Insta360's website. Let's see. Please reconnect. 8K 360, 30 frames per second, dual 1/1.28 inch sensors, triple AI chip for superior low light, replaceable lenses, which is huge. It has 185-minute battery life, FlowState stabilization, wind guard for clear audio, the sensor size 144% bigger. 13.5 stops, maximum dynamic range. Alright, see if it connects. connected. GPS. Alright, so we are connected. Kind of see my monitors, my overhead camera. We'll go into more details about this and using it in a little bit. Just wanted to show the process of getting it set up. So what else do we have here? It's supposed to have really good low light capabilities. 360-degree pure video. Really excited to try that out. I'm not excited to try the replaceable lens, but I am excited to try it. I've always been really paranoid about, being careful with the cameras so I don't scratch the lenses. And so having the option to replace them is great. What else can I tell you? 5.7K 60 frames per second active HDR. That's great. The invisible selfie stick is always great. I definitely like the reframing capabilities. So I'm excited to do more with that. And now there's 2-in-1 filming. So apparently you can film in flat, video, and you can also shoot 360 at the same time. Ultra wide POVs. I'm going to be putting out a lot of POV videos coming up, so it'll be helpful for that. And what else can I tell you? Yeah. The wind guard. I'm really excited about the wind guard. I do a lot of videos, ride with me videos, where I put the camera on top of the car and drive around, and this will help with that. So I think that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, comment them below. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. If you find it useful, share it. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.